Bills payable simply means we have purchased the material on credit and the same amount has to be paid in future. In Tally, it is very easy to get the bills payable list. Even the purchase of material is more than 100 numbers and 1000 numbers. Hi everyone, welcome to Unnati Pro Academy. Let us start the session now. Friends, it is very easy to have the bills payable list in Tally. So do not skip the video. Please watch the video till the end so that you can understand easily. Let us start the practicals, friends, now. Let us go to vouchers. Press enter. Here you can see the payment. So we have to change it to purchases by clicking it over here or pressing F9. You have to enter the supplier invoice number, invoice date, party name, that is supplier name. So let us create one new supplier here. Go to create, press enter. Here create Sunil Sales, press enter. Here you have to select sundry creditors. Always supplier should be grouped under sundry creditors. Press enter. Here maintain balance by bill, bill by bill, make it yes. This is the source for having the bills payable list. Press enter. Default credit period, if you have particular credit period 30 days, 10 days, 15 days, you can enter it, or you can keep it blank. I'll keep it blank. So check for credit days, I'll keep it no. Press enter. Here if you have any address of the supplier, you can enter it. Press enter. Here you select the state of the supplier. I'll keep it Karnataka. Press enter. Here if you have any pin code, you can enter it. Here you can provide any bank details of the supplier if you have. I'll keep it no. Here PAN number of the supplier, you can enter it. I'll keep it blank. Here make it regular. And here you have to enter the GST number of the supplier. If the GST number is wrong, you will get the message like this. So you have to correct the GST number and press enter. Press enter. Press enter to accept. Now if you have any receipt note details, you can enter it here. Otherwise come down by pressing enter key. Here if you have any details, you can add it. Otherwise you come down by pressing enter key. Here you have to select purchase account. Here press spacebar. Select item. Enter the quantity. Rate automatically comes if you have earlier one purchase. For the same rate, it will take the purchase entry now. Press enter. You keep it as it is here. Here select CGST. Automatically the GST amount appears here. Press enter. Select SGST. Again the automatically CGST appears here. Take rounding off. The bill amount has been rounded off now. Come down by pressing enter. Now press enter. Here you can see 4 options: advance, against reference, new reference, on account. Here let us select new reference because this is the transaction we have started with the supplier. So new reference, it will take the invoice number by default. If you want to change it, you can change it, or you can retain it as it is. I'll keep it as it is. Here due date, I'll enter 30 days. That means after 30 days of the invoice date, I'll pay the amount. See here, below the 30 days, the due date has been appeared. Because my invoice date is 1st April. So after 30 days, 1st May is the payment due date. Press enter, press enter, press enter, and press enter to accept this purchase. Now let us go back to main menu by pressing escape key. Now this is the main menu. So let us go to display more reports. Being here, press enter. Now go to statement of accounts. Press enter. Here outstanding, press enter. Now you can see receivables and payables. So now we want to see the payables. By pressing payables, we will get the details of bills payable. See here, date of the invoice, purchase invoice date, and reference number. This is the invoice number, and this is the suppliers, and these are the pending amounts. And the due date on 1st of May, we have to pay this amount to Pradeep Sales. And Sahana Sales, we have to pay it on 1st April. So these are the bills payable list. And this is how we can get the bills payable list at any time, so that it will be easy to make the payments on due dates. So friends, if you find this video helpful, please like this and share it with your friends, and subscribe for this channel for the new videos which we may come to you directly. Thank you friends. Let us meet in next video with some interesting chapters.